here from Flex and Flow. If you're here, it's probably because you are looking to break down Mayurasana or Peacock Pose. So I'm going to take you through a couple of different ways to fly in Peacock Pose. And it's a super fun and challenging, but also accessible arm balance. So let's have some fun. To get started, either come into a comfortable seat with your ankles crossed and find a nice lock of the ankles, or if it is in your practice, you can come into full lotus variation. So having this bind with the legs is a really nice place to be for this posture. So whether you're in this crossed ankle, simple seated pose, or you have a full lotus variation, either way is fine. We're going to come up onto the knees, so gently come onto the knees, and then walk your hands out in front of you. Now, you can either turn your fingers to face outward, or you can turn them to face back. I prefer mine to face back. I get a little bit more mobility here, okay? So once you have that, I'm going to spin around so that you guys can see. It's nice when you have a lock of the legs. You're like a tail. You can just move from side to side really quickly. Okay, so once we're here, whether our fingers are out or they're facing back behind us, then, just like chaturanga, we're going to draw our weight forward. Our belly's engaged already. We're going to bend our elbows so that they come in towards the ribs. And you're going to feel it right away, right? This pose is a great aid for digestion. We're going to rock our weight forward, 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 and then our knees are going to lift off of the mat. Maybe we stay here. Maybe we begin to unfurl the legs. And we fly. Very nice. Releasing back down to the knees. Give your wrists a shake. Whew. All right. From here, I'll show you how to get in when you're not coming from that ankle bind or your full lotus, okay? So we can also come from plank pose. So we'll start again in tabletop, and then choose your hand variation. You might need to take a few rounds to really explore what works in your body. So fingertips can face out, or you can flip them to face back behind you. And then once you're here, we're going to walk the feet back into plank. So you're in a really strong plank. And then you're going to rock way forward, just like we did from our knees. You're going to bend your elbows deeply in towards the ribs. You're going to keep floating forward. And then maybe you're going to like zip the legs up, and they start to lift as you continue to reach forward. And we're floating. And then when you're ready, come on down. Shake it out. Nice work. Definitely after you do that, you'll probably feel a little bit of aid of digestion. Your heart rate's probably accelerating. All of those are very good things and very purple when we do Mayurasana or Peacock Pose. Thanks for playing. Please leave me comments, questions, feedback, whatever. I always love to hear from you, or let me know what you want to learn next. Thank you guys so much. Jamie King here from Flex and Flow. See you next time.